Are we live? I think we might be. Haven't even opened Twitch. I'm such a bad streamer. Oh no, I have to log in. Come on. Hey, okay. Let's see. Am I live? Am I live? Am I live? Yes, but oh no, the stream name is wrong. Done. Okay, we changed the name. We are p5.js. We are using the p5.js library, which I don't know how to use, to... Oh, they have updated the reference. Okay. I have used it once before, I think. I made a nice example of Bezier curves. I am kinda not used to coding, so the setup and the draw is what gets updated all the time. And let's try to draw something like a sphere. No, circle, sphere. Okay. Like 10 10 10. Will that work? No. Let's see. No, I don't want ellipse. So we are starting from the beginning. Okay. Because I don't know how to use this library at all. Okay, we drew an ellipse. This is it. It's supposed to be like width divided by 2, height divided by 2, and let's... Does it say what x, y, w, and h? Width and height. So the width can be 100 and the height can be 100. This is our ellipse. Can we make it no fill, or do we have to fill? No fill. Okay, that's great. So I would like to make an array. I'm sorry. It's early. I would like to... I'm on my pajamas, by the way. Don't mind me. I would like to make an array var. Can I do var? Or can I not do var for an array? I don't know. Var coef. Let's make it 10. And I wanna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is not how you do an array. Shit. Yeah, if you guys think I don't know real JavaScript, I do not. So, JavaScript, how to make an array. Great. No, I don't want const. I don't want it to be constant. Dynamic array. Let's see. Oh, is that it? Unexpected number. Maybe I don't use these brackets and I use these ones. Okay, nice. That's not a dynamic array though, is it? Okay, it does look like it is. So let's now put a line. It starts at width divided by 2 and height divided by 2, and it ends at width divided by 2 plus r times cosine of theta. Wait, that's r cosine. Height divided by 2 plus r times sine of theta. And I will tell you what theta is. Theta will be, I'm guessing sine and cosine get radians. So let's do 1 and we will see. Line. What is the line? Oh, R. R is 1. R is 100. Great. So theta does seem to be, what is it called? Radians. Because if I do 3.14, yeah, that's pi. So I is theta is in radians, and what should I do? R should be 100 divided by 2. All of these will be variables. Yeah, so that is correct. That is what we want. And now, okay. So I would like theta to change over time. So let's do theta plus equals 0.1. So we are doing it. Nice. What we are doing is we're basically making this spin, and let's do 0.05 because we want it a bit slower. And now, now I need to make this recursive, which means that, oh shit. Wait a minute. What we are trying to do is we are trying to make the Fourier transform the coefficients. We are trying to basically create the circles. This is the sine and cosine stuff. So let's make the canvas a bit bigger. No, actually, I want this to be maybe 600 by 800, or actually the different aspect ratio. Yeah, that's it. So this is big enough. Now let me think how I will do this. The thing is, No, I don't want background to be 0. Let me think. So we are starting off with an initial r equals 50, which was pretty good. And I'm gonna do this here. And oh no, not in draw. Okay, r equals 50. Now, it is kind of interesting how we will do this. I'm not sure how the Fourier transform in circles works, right? So I probably should have looked it up, because I'm guessing the omega. So let's open Paint for a bit. Paint. So the Fourier transform says that any function of x is the sum from negative infinity to positive infinity of some, actually let's make this n, some sen times, well, let's do the freaking exponential. Is it negative? Whatever. Jn and omega. Yeah, that's it. I think so. Is it not? Wikipedia time. Wikipedia Fourier transform. Where is the exponential formula? Where is it? Maybe it will be, first of all, a bit better if we do this example that Wikipedia has. This is just a sign, so it will be a bit better to start with that, right? So let's move this to 0. Oh no. Let's move this to 50. Yes. And let's make an x equals 50, y equals height divided by 2, then x comma y, and this will be x comma y, and then x comma y. Okay, now we want a line that starts from x plus r cos theta, y plus r sine theta, and where does that line end? That line ends at well, it ends at x plus r cos theta, because plus 300, y plus r sine theta. Nice. So now we are basically able to draw something, which is the sine. Maybe it should be ending at the same place, which means that how does the Wikipedia do it? It has it ending at the same place, yeah. How do we do that? Because now it creates a circle. We don't want that. We want it to always be at x equals 300. Yeah. And let's do x be, let's make it be 500. Nice. So we are basically doing the sine, and then now we have to draw stuff. Like we need to make a point at 500, comma, and then the rest of the points we need to translate them, but we will see how we will do that. I have no idea how to do that. Bro, come on, make the point. Just an x and a y, right? Yeah. Oh, it does make the point, but it removes it afterwards. We don't want to remove it. So how do we do that so it doesn't get removed? Maybe we need an array of points. And then what? Add to each x of the points some... Yeah, that will probably be the best, is if we make an array of points and then how can we append array.push, which is points.push these coordinates and then come on, don't do this now. So I haven't thought of it correctly. So we need an array of points of x and y's, and we need Why is there a bracket missing? Why? There is a bracket missing. Okay, we are pushing to that array many points, but they are basically the same point. And then I can say for point in for point in points, can't I do that? I can't do that. Why can I not do that? Then make a point with point dot x, point dot y. Holy shit, I have no idea how this works. Maybe I shouldn't have done this like this, you know? Shit, somebody's calling. Give me a sec. Okay, you will have to give me 2 minutes because I have to send an important email. I mean, it's not that important, but you know how stuff is. Oof, so let's see. I'm sorry, everyone. I will be back. Just sending the email. Shit. I don't know which email to send it. So when I get it, I will send it. We need to draw a point for each point in the array. So the problem with doing that is okay, done with the email. The problem with doing that is that we need to also translate the points. So I don't know how to do that, honestly. We need every point's x to also be added like one pixel each time, I guess. So how do I do that? You know, it might be simple for you all, but I'm a dumb coder. I don't know how to code, and especially graphics. I have never done any like JavaScript, any languages like this. So this you will have to bear with me. So I guess we push arrays. And then we do index 0 and index 1. So now we don't have a problem with that. The next is what's the next? Now if I know correctly, it should be fine, and it should be drawing all the points. It should be drawing a line, but it's not, and I need to find out why. Why? Tell me why. I can't sing that, it's copyrighted. Why? Why is that? Why is it like that? Come on. My brain should be able to know this. Point was expecting number for the second, received an empty variable instead. Okay, let's start again. Huh. What if I print points? What would happen? See, it's not empty. It has these numbers. What if I print point index 0 and point index 1? Let's first print Point is not a great name. Undefined. Come on. No, it should be defined. Don't be dumb. I said clear. Okay, my console is clear. Okay. Point index 0 is 0. I don't get why. Points have arrays of 2. And this array of 2 has index 0. Come on. I have to do it this way. No, I shouldn't have to do it this way. For point in points, I should be able to access x and y. Print point. Clear. Start. So point is 0. Okay, I can't save, but whatever. Huh. Point is 0. I don't get it. Is this the index? Yeah, I guess, but I don't understand. Points index 0 and points index 1. But if this is the way this works, it's dumb. It shouldn't. You see, it does work this way, but it shouldn't. Really shouldn't. Just saying. Okay. Now, plus okay, we should have time. Var time. It starts with 0. I mean, yeah, it starts with 0. And then time has 0.1. So we want plus time. No. Shit. Shit. How do I do this? First point is drawn at 0.1 time. And I want it to be at x equals this plus 0.1. Then the next time I want to also add 0.1. So I really don't want to do this, which is to say that points index 0 plus equals time, not time, 0.1. This could work, it does work, but is it good? It's fine. Just do this 0. No, maybe 1 pixel. Yeah, and we are fine. We have drawn the freaking thing. I mean, we should probably... It becomes very laggy after a while, which is that we should probably delete stuff from the array. I mean, it does become very big. But for now, we're gonna leave it like that, and we're gonna let future Mooze'Booze deal with the problems that arise. Okay, so we have done it. We made the sine wave, and it is a sine wave, right? It does start... It does go the wrong way, doesn't it? That kinda is a problem, but we're not gonna worry about it. Wait, isn't that fixable though? If I move this to width minus 50. Okay. I don't like it because you see why, because it overlaps. So we're gonna leave it at 50 and see what we will do. Next part on the list. Wait. Okay. Next part on the list is adding to it. And how do we add to that? We need to draw more circles on top of this circle. Let's actually put this at 100. No, not 1000, 100, yeah. And now we need to draw a circle with its middle being the new x. So let me do that once. So now new x is, am I using x again? Okay, new x is, actually no, x is x plus r cos theta, y equals y plus r sine theta, and then we draw an ellipse at x comma y comma 50 50, and then we draw a line at x comma y comma x plus r divided by 10 times cos theta times 2, y plus r divided by 10 times cos theta times, how much 2, yeah. Oh shit, 5,5. Okay, no, that's incorrect. Wait. Let's have this be 50, and then r divided by 2. That's interesting. Why can I not make this right? It's probably because... Ooh. This is not the correct way to write the equation, right? Yeah. Huh. That is interesting. Yeah, it really isn't the correct way. What if I make the center of the axis be at the end of that line? Yeah. What if I translate to this place? Actually, what if I translate now to x comma y, and then we draw this ellipse at 0, 0, and then this. Okay, I've practically made the same thing. Hmm. I need to get a pen and paper and do this. Maybe here. So we have a circle and a circle on a circle. And I would like to go here and then here. So this is theta and this is theta 2. So this is the cosine of theta 1 plus theta 2. If I'm already here, but then I will be elsewhere. Because next point I'm gonna be here and I want, it shouldn't matter, should it? I'm definitely missing something here, but I don't know what it is. Ooh. What if I use theta? I'm not liking this. And I can't figure it out. But it is a nice challenge. Let's fix this. Oh no, it broke. No, leave all the translations. This is what we are at, where we are at. And the question is how to make this a circle. This is interesting. I lost my mouse. I wanted to turn this way with an omega 1, and I want this to turn this way with an omega 2. So this is theta 1, this is theta 2, . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . 2 . So the line is drawn with this start and this start plus this start plus cosine and sine. But it shouldn't be There is something I'm missing and I'm not a good enough physicist. Okay, so this point and then this point will be here. This is a new theta 2 because it has changed. So I remember some stuff now. So how much of theta 1, how is theta 1 and theta 2 related? So the speed is theta 1 plus theta 2 there. And I mean omega 1 plus omega 2, right? Yeah. Time to use ChatGPT? No, wait, we will Google it first. How to make a circle, actually rotation of rotating object. Do I have to take out my freaking... Oh no. I have to, don't I? My book on rotations? I do. Yes. Shit. I don't get why it's doing that. I don't get it. I'm dumb. Wow. Hey. I don't know what your message means. I don't even know the language. So, welcome. We are trying to make the Fourier transform of a signal. But I am struggling because I cannot find a way to make a rotation on the already rotating circle. I mean, I know how to do a standard angle. I can do this, which is a standard angle, but I cannot rotate it at all for some reason. And maybe the problem is there are multiple reasons. Like, let's make theta 2, and theta 2 will be 0, and theta 2 will plus equal 0.13. So if I do theta 2, nope, again we have the same problem. Can I make a slider? I wonder. Can I? Let's see. I/O. What is I/O? No, this does not make a slider. I guess I'm just very dumb. I need to find out why it oscillates like that at a standard angle. Yeah, whatever I do, this is what it does. Okay. Let's start at 0. 0 is not my 0. And why is that? Oh, because, I think I'm getting somewhere. Holy, this was it. I'm dumb. Oh my god, I'm so stupid, actually. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Holy shit, I'm dumb. I'm a dumb guy, okay? Please don't mind me. I'm just dumb. I mean, who can argue with that? No one. So let's go ahead and say r equals 1 divided by 2. Shit, no. And then how much was r? Okay, r and r. Excuse me. Oh, no. I don't want to be doing that. I want to do r equals 25. And then r equals 50 will be here. So actually r will equal 100, and then r divided by 2, r divided by 2, r divided by 2. Okay. This is it. So we have made the circle inside the circle, and the width is variable. However, I honestly, wait a minute. So I should be sorting everything, because I need the bigger circle to be, actually no, I don't need the bigger circle to be outside. It's just that I would prefer 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I would prefer that so that the outer circle is bigger. And then that could be, okay, I'm getting somewhere. I don't need the theta 2, and I need the theta to be starting at 0. If it starts at 0, I get, can I do pi? I can't do pi. Can I? Come on. Pi, pi, pi. Where is the pi? Okay. I'm gonna do 3.14, which is basically pi. So now I need R to be coefficient index 0 times 10, and then R will be coefficient index 1 times 10. Is that good? We will see if that's good. So for var item in coefficient, print item. Let's see what this prints. It prints 0, 1 point. Why does it do that? I mean, I don't need the index. Whatever. So coefficient index. Okay. J. And then what's up? Why is it not running? Good. What line am I printing that I shouldn't be? This one. I should only print this at the end. Great. So they are kind of shit. Whew. I see what I did. I need to be having 2 times theta. So theta times j. Does j become 0? J plus 1 then. Okay, this is pretty chaotic. Great. I did it. This is quite interesting. Let's try to play with this a bit, see what we can do. Okay. Maybe we should also be making a line from one point to the other, but this is not that interesting. Maybe we should have time flow slower. That doesn't do anything. I wonder why it doesn't do anything. Oh, because this is why. Okay, this is not. I mean, time, we don't need time. Who needs time? Am I right? So, now, what if I make this a bit bigger? Okay. This sucks. If it's bigger, it sucks. So, now, I would like to just add two frequencies together, which is frequency 0, actually frequency with, okay, let's make this both 10. That is interesting now. Now that is interesting. What if I make this a 10? So we are basically adding two signs together. Okay, let's find the Fourier series of something. Fourier series of nice, what are they called? Functions. Give me a good Fourier series function. Actually, let's go to Desmos and then let's do 5 times sine Okay, we should be able to do this. It's 2 and 5 on our array. 2 and 5, 0 for this, and that's it. So, are we doing it? Doesn't seem like we are. That's probably because see, now it's better. It does go outside of the map though. Yeah. Okay. You know what? I think we have what it takes. Do we though? The thing with the Fourier transform is that it consists of sine and cosine. Okay. Java. Actually, no. No. We should do a bit more testing. You see how this is not correct? I should be drawing exactly this, and I am not. That usually seems there is a problem somewhere. Like the time, for example. My outer circle is too freaking... Yeah, there was something wrong with my array. This is it, baby. I think I got it. Yeah, I freaking got it. Nice. I'm taking a break, by the way. A small little break is what I need and deserve right now. Oof, okay. Where were we? Let's see if my stream is doing okay. Is anyone here? No, it's just me. That is fine. So what if we add this is too big. Let's do this 25. Yeah. Such a nice, relaxing time. I love playing with stuff like this, honestly. You know, people may judge. They may say, ooh, this Mooze'Booze guy, he's not great. He kinda sucks. But, you know what I say? I do kinda suck. That is not a secret. But you know what my secret is? Everyone kinda sucks. So, this is fine. Okay, now, this will be part 1 because I gotta go eat something. But maybe tomorrow? Oh my god, I need to wake up too. Oh my god. Maybe tomorrow I will do the part 2. It was actually pretty enjoyable. See how happy I am. We actually made it. We made a visualization of the Fourier transform. Now, one problem is I don't know if it can visualize everything because I really yeah, the problem is that we start at theta equals 0 And if there is a DC, what is it called? Yeah, we only have sines. That's our problem. We can only do stuff that has sines. If we want to do cosines, we will have to probably do something else. And that's a problem for future moves, because I'm fine with sines. Oh my god, I gotta call people. I'm fine with sines, you know? They seem fine to me. So it might have taken how much time? 1.5 hours for this simple demo. Oh my god. I need my coding skills to develop. But we did make it. So that's what counts in the end. We are gonna talk soon. Mooze is out.